In this video, we're going to see the effect of the altitude of the sun in the sky on shadows that are cast by objects on the earth. Okay, so we're starting out the video with the sun, this flashlight, being shined directly down on this object. And you can see that there's very little shadow there. Now, in this video, I want you to imagine the edge of the table here as being the horizon, okay? And as we move through the year, the sun is at its highest point at any given day in the year. But as we go through the year, the sun is at a lower and lower and lower place in the sky, more approaching the horizon as we go from this time of the year to the end of the year, okay? So we're going to see in this video that the sun, the flashlight, is going to be approaching the horizon, and again, that sun is at its maximum point at any given day in the year, okay? So as we move through the year, we're going to see the sun approach the horizon. We'll see the effect on the shadows. Okay. At this time of the year, the sun is at a lower place in the sky at its maximum. And you can see that there's a longer shadow being cast. Okay, now this relates directly to the activity that we just did, and we're trying to interpret, in particular, the length of the shadows that we saw in the data table. Okay, we want to try to understand why the shadow lengths were different for different latitudes and for different times of the year.